When making a call, wait for the recipient to pick up the phone. There is a small button in the upper left corner. Click on it. Notice this call will be decoded. A notification is issued to let the call recipient know. Call recorded saved in Notes. Call recordings folders include all call recorded on iPhone. You can set Wi-Fi quick settings out now. This toggle only available on iOS 18.1. You can custom and to easy use. Recess and group toggle. New settings in Control Center. This can reset your Control Center layout to factory default. Create new note. Choose pen, then write the math to solve in Note. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.